Summer solstice on Ocean Beach, San Francisco. A true story of the summer of love, and that happened to be 1967. Enchanted morning, cool mist bathes my upturned face. High above, sunlight shimmers on the surface of this uncanny ceiling of fog. Cloudless sky overhead, cerulean blue, wet sand crisp between my toes, beach flecked with stiffened foam, glossy white and seeming weightless, a testimony to lashing waves in the night, but now in early morn's light, a looking-glass sea. The world holds its breath, anticipating something wondrous. Now, a muffled sound far behind me. Turning to face it, an apparition appears, materializes bit by bit from out the fog. A horse, a bay, gleaming, shimmering, curried to beyond perfection. And riding with no bridle, no saddle, a woman of astounding beauty. Golden tresses cascade in ripples from her flower-wreathed head, ripples glinting needles of silver light. Her gauzy raiment in shades of pearly gray and white floats gossamer-like as befits a fairy queen. Her neck and breasts bedecked with leis of brilliant flowers, bedecked also her bay with lush blossoms, red, white, pink, yellow, and blue. Stately he walks, knowing he bears a queen. From the fog more equine beauty emerges. In single file they come, making a grand entrance each one. Chestnut, black, white, and dappled gray. The sheen of their coats incredible, all free of saddles and bridles, all draped with multicolored leis, all mounted by youth, men and women of glowing countenance and royal demeanor. Perfect control of horses, though no word is spoken. Serenely they step into the water which mirrors them complete. Hooves making ripples which soon disappear. Carefully as in ballet, the riders cast their leis onto the water where they linger and float. The dance continues as the royal equines gently wheel and return to land. By ones, twos, and threes, they melt into the fog, leaving me awash in wonder. I fall to my knees in the sound, pressing hands to heart, I burst into tears. How else to respond to awesome beauty? A marvel beyond my ability or will to explain. Let the mystery remain.